برطانوی پارلیمنٹ میں آل پارٹی پارلیمنٹری گروپ APPG برائے کشمیر کی جانب سے کشمیر بلیک ڈے کے موقع پر ایک خصوصی تقریب کا انعقاد کیا گیا، جس پہ بھارتی مقبوضہ کشمیر میں انسانی حقوق کی سنگین خلاف ورزیوں اور کشمیری عوام کو ان کے حق خود ارادیت سے مسلسل محروم رکھنے پر گہری تشویش کا اظہار کیا گیا۔ تقریب چیئرمین APPG کشمیر رکن پارلیمنٹ عمران حسین کی سربراہی میں منعقد ہوئی۔ تقریب میں ارکان پارلیمنٹ رچرڈ برجن، ایان برن، سارہ عصمت، ریچل ہاپکنز، لارڈ شفیق خان اور سینئر وائس چیئرمین طاہر علی MP سمیت متعدد اراکین پارلیمنٹ نے شرکت کی۔ مقررین نے کہا کہ کشمیر بلیک ڈے بھارتی حکومت کی جانب سے کشمیری عوام کے بنیادی انسانی اور سیاسی حقوق کی مسلسل پامالی کی یاد دہانی ہے۔ انہوں نے اس عزم کا اظہار کیا کہ برطانوی پارلیمنٹ کشمیری عوام کے ساتھ اظہار یکجہتی کرتی ہے اور ان کے حق خود ارادیت اور انصاف کے حصول کی حمایت جاری رکھے گی۔
We had a very constructive meeting in Parliament today, held by the All Party Parliamentary Group on Kashmir to show solidarity with our brothers and sisters in Indian-occupied Kashmir and to mark Kashmir Black Day. 75 years on, the sons and daughters of Kashmir continue to face persecution, oppression and injustice. The right-wing Indian government continues to use tools such as the Indian Armed Forces Special Powers Act and the Public Safety Act to continue to enforce disappearance, continue to persecute the Kashmiris, continue to have blackouts there, continues to repress the rights of the Kashmiris. We will continue to make that case in the British Parliament. This is not a bilateral issue, it's an international issue, and the British government has a moral, historic and a duty under international law to make sure that we have an end to the human rights abuses and the birthright granted under international law for self-determination is granted to the Kashmiris. The voice of the Kashmiris will continue to be heard.
The 27th of October is marked as a Black Day in Kashmir's history. That is when the Indian Army landed in Kashmir. And ever since, the Indian forces in Kashmir have been involved, according to the Amnesty International, Human Rights Watch, UN Commission for Human Rights. The Indian Army has been involved in torture, in extrajudicial killing, rape, and all the human rights violations. And we are here to mark that day and support the people of Kashmir for their right of self-determination.
On behalf of the Pakistan High Commission, we are very thankful to Imran Hussain MP and all the other members of the APG on Kashmir to have convened this meeting today on Kashmir Black Day to reaffirm and reiterate our solidarity with the Kashmiri people in their quest for self-determination.
27th of October marks the International Black Day for Kashmir solidarity. We have to stand up to the atrocities being carried out by India in the occupied Kashmir. It cannot be allowed to go undetected and unmentioned due to other interests with India. We have to expose these misgivings, and India has to be held accountable.
On this Kashmir Black Day, we honor the resilience, the pain and the perseverance of the Kashmiri people. We support their right to self-determination. We support and we continue to fight for their human rights, their universal basic human rights.
Here to stand in solidarity with the people of Kashmir. The British Parliament here and APPG group are always going to stand in solidarity with you. Today we congregated to recognise 75 years of oppression and suffering. We will do whatever is in our power to lobby our government to ensure that any human rights violations are sanctioned. We will fight for that plebiscite, and we are united in that approach. Hopefully Kashmir will be liberated one day.